So guys, what we're gonna watch here in just a second is, it's just a Christmas tradition. Me and my daughter, we always go up to this place every year and we just look at Christmas lights. And I know I said I was gonna put this up a while ago, but I've been busy and I just didn't have time. I had to cut my hair and do all kinds of business stuff. So guys, I apologize. I said I was gonna get content out. I said I was gonna try and get this out sooner. I just hadn't got it edited. So hopefully you guys enjoy. This is just Christmas with me and my daughter and my wife. So just like every year, we've come all the way up here to H Street, J Street area.
Oh.
Merry Christmas. Did you see his new Santa?
Yeah.
That's cool, it moves. He fixed the outhouse. Last year this one wasn't working, remember? There's the elephant. Where's the the Ferris wheel is gone. Maybe the Ferris wheels is over on the other side. Yeah, that's what I was just thinking. The Ferris wheel is usually where the elephant is.
That's usually right next to this.
Yeah. This is awesome. I mean, the other houses around here are great too. Like that one, yeah, that one, just simple, clean. Huh? Yeah. So it looks like there's no Ferris wheel this year. Snow globe. So is this the place, or is it the other one where they had the one that smells like pizza?
It's the other one.
It's the other one?
Turtle.
The Ninja Turtle one, and it smells like pizza when you... This is so cool.
The same exact thing.
Yeah. If you look in this window, there's a Christmas tree that spins.
Yeah.
Isn't that cool? Can you imagine how much money the electricity costs? Not just the stuff.
Yeah, electricity goes then. Oh, and they're watching a Christmas movie.
So yeah, and then we have to, don't forget, we have to go to the one that has the Charlie Brown thing in their window. Yeah, that one over there. We're gonna go over there. You see, I just now noticed even the roof. Like I never noticed. I didn't pay attention.
I don't like that.
Looks like your headboard. They're the same lights that are on your headboard.
Except half of my headboard is in.
What are you sitting on, Santa? Looks uncomfortable.
He's a hot air balloon. Technically, he's not sitting.
The elephant. Just checking. I was pooping. Just checking. On their what?
On their window. Like not on the window, but on the wall.
Oh, yeah. I saw that. And did you notice that house over there's got like a glass garage door? This one every year, because they do a window display that is like all Pooh Bear and Mickey Mouse, and they basically have put up a little room and mounted it to a window. Yeah, well, they're old, Isabel. We've been coming here since you were a baby. Yep, every year. There, that's what I was thinking about, the Snoopy. They always hang up a Snoopy, but yeah. That is nice.
Imagine your living room looking like that.
Yeah, that is really cool. This is we've been coming and looking at these houses, this house and then this one, since you were a baby.
No, I can jump.
No. Remember we pulled up in front, they had a party in their garage the one time?
Oh, yeah.
And we pulled up and like, oh, you can park there.
Oh, yeah, and they gave us a drink.
So we're at the second house that we always go to every year, which is about what? About a 15-minute drive?
I don't know.
Across town? This place is crazy too. So these are all rose bushes.
Ninja.
These are all rose bushes that they decorate.
It's just all junk. Really
It's because it's rose bushes.
No, like all the things, because it's all from different movies.
Yeah. And there's the Hulk. Let's see, we got the Hulk, and then there's the reindeer from Frozen, and there's little penguin. I would imagine that they leave a lot of this stuff up all year. Like the
I'm assuming they never took the lights off.
yeah, that's what I'm saying. I imagine most of the rose bushes. Like, look at this. There's a nativity scene. There's Baby Yoda. There's the huh?
You said Yoda.
Yeah, there's the Black Panther. Spider-Man. The Ninja Turtles is gone, huh?
Yeah, because it's usually there, right next to Yoda.
Yeah, and I don't smell pizza. There's the Grinch, and there's Woody, and there's Scooby-Doo.
Teddy bear is floating.
Oh, look in the back. There's a teeter-totter.
That's what I said, teddy bears floating. I don't know why
I don't think those are teddy bears. Those are reindeer, Isabel, because that's Santa and his reindeer.
They don't look like
And then there's Santa and Mrs. Santa in a swing.
Santa's in a parachute. Santa's in a parachute. Three.
Oh, yeah. They even decorate their shit. Ah, this is fun. Love you, kid. Merry Christmas. What? I like this. This is fun. Oh, there's the airplane. I was looking for it.
Airplane?
Right there. Right there.
Oh.
See it?
Looks like a mailbox.
I like the ones on the wall. The ones that look like a... See it behind the one that's flashing? The big round ones? I don't know what you call them. Yeah. The one behind Santa's head that's flashing. There's two small ones and then one great big one. Yeah, those are cool. I like those.
I already know what all of these are, but it's fine.
Are you sure? It's because you made a wish list.
Yeah, but
Kayan's excited. Isabel, stop. Just go ahead and open.
Oh, I found it.
What is it?
It's the ring, the other ring.
The other ring?
Yeah. I'm not gonna take the time to open it yet because
Put it up there.
She
She
can
can
get hers
open hers last.
I think I know what this one is too. I was like, what is this one here? I think it's my popper. It's my popper.
Is that what you wanted?
Yeah.
That's the one?
Why are you back?
She's excited. She knows that something's going on.
No, get out. Out! Oh my god. I think this is my sign. No, it's not.
What is it?
Decoration lamp? Oh, it's my sign. Oh,
Yeah.
I was like, what is this? And then I was like, oh, it's my sign. Okay, we can open it later. I'm terrible at opening gifts. Even Ella was like,
I have made you several knives.
No. Like, usually, like, you know how kids always, like, rip open everything like that?
Yeah.
I can't do that for some reason. I just can't. Like, I'm...
Well, Mama uses... Do you need a knife? Mama uses some pretty heavy-duty wrapping paper. I think that's it, except for Mama. That's yours. What is this? Oh.
It's like Randy's moving the top bowl. The hoodie. Ow!
Chigayo.
No, I wanted this one.
She wanted that one. We got that one for you.
Remember when we went to the exchange?
We picked that one out first, and then we found this one. We were looking for something for you, and we know that you like hoodies. Merry Christmas. Here, hold this. I want to see what you got me.
Oh, I'm holding with my left hand. It's fine.
It's a Steelers, another Steelers sweatshirt. Can't go wrong with a Steelers sweatshirt.
It's nice though. No.
Hi, Kaya. Yeah, it's Christmas time. It's Christmas. You got a present. I got another Steelers sweatshirt.
It's nice. We took
That is
like
nice.
30 minutes in that store trying to find the right one because we couldn't find the right design. What is happening?
That's nice. Thank you.
You're welcome. Okay, what?
Cayenne. You got a present too. Go, okay, here. Okay, go help Cayenne with her present.
Oh, there's zip ties on this one. Hey, look.
Go get, bring it here. Go get me the scissors.
It's the Costco food court. Cayenne, don't you?
Cayenne got the Costco food court.
She can't complain about not getting food anymore. She does it all the time, though.
You have the prettiest little tree. Right here.
I put my hand over the lens.
You did such a. I told Mama. I think it was yesterday. Yesterday morning. It was dark. I looked at the tree. I was like, you did a really good job on that, kiddo.
Yeah, because I took like an hour to do it all.
I helped, but
You helped with the hooks.
yeah, I know.
But like, I was making sure about like the colors not being in the same spot.
Okay.
I know. So there's the Costco one.
Wait. Wait. Oh, what's this one?
Don't
Sit,
give them all to
sit.
her at the same time though. Yeah, save 2 of them. Save the hot dog one and the Coke one.
What is this? Oh,
Save the.
Stop. Sit.
Can you save the hot dog one and the Coke one,
Yes.
and then give Cayenne the other one?
Save the big one in the Coke.
Yeah, I said save those 2. I think give those 2 to Cayenne.
Cayenne, would you like
wings.
pizza? Which do you want? I guess she wanted pizza.
Okay, bye.
Bye. Merry Christmas.
She just took it. Hold on.
Merry Christmas, Mama.
Can I try opening now? Like, can I open the things?
Yes, I'll help you.
Because I didn't want to open them and just like end up not opening the rest because I get distracted.